Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Instagram account password on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to change your Instagram account password, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here you have to search for Instagram. Just search for Instagram and just open the first website from here. Now, if you're already logged into your account, you might see your account interface as your account is logged in. So, by tapping on your profile option, you can go to your profile. Or if you want to change your password, just click on this more option and then click on settings and then click on account center. Now, on this screen, you just have to select password and security and then select change password from here and then click on your Instagram account. Now here you just have to enter your current Instagram account password. So let's say I'm gonna enter my one. Once I've entered your current password, you just have to try to create a new password here. So you can easily create a new password which you want to enter here. And once you have entered or created a new password, just click on change password and your password will be successfully changed. So in this way, you can easily create or you can easily change your Instagram account password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.